Sometimes we forget that getting fit goes beyond our workout. It's also about how we eat. Today, I'm making air fryer chicken wings with a homemade ranch dressing. And yes, this absolutely fits into a get fit lifestyle. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how you can swap out the sugary, high carb sauce that typically you put on an air fryer wing by simply seasoning your wings with a delicious blend of spices. And we're making a homemade ranch dressing with cottage cheese that will give us even more protein. Protein matters more as we age, and when we prepare it at home, we control the ingredients, the portions, and how it supports our strength and energy. This is real food that fuels workouts, supports muscle, and still feels satisfying because getting fit isn't about restriction, it's about intention. These juicy, crispy wings went from a cheat by omitting the high carb, sugary sauce to a fuel. They're high in protein, made at home, and paired with a simple ranch dressing that supports our strength and our energy after 50. Remember to keep it simple, keep it healthy, and keep it delicious. And enjoy.